Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel. In this video, I want to show you how to download and install the Kodi application to your Android TV, TV box or Google TV using the downloader code. If you find the video helpful, please make sure you like, subscribe, and share for more important videos like this. So I'm currently using my Android TV box. If you need a TV box, check the description of this video. There is a link that is going to bring you to this particular TV box. And this TV box allows me to use my mouse to navigate through. I can also use my remote, but the mouse is easier than the remote. But anyway, on your Android TV or TV box, go over to the download application. Now, if you don't have downloader on your Android TV, in the description of this video, there is a link that I've added that is going to help you to install downloader to your Android TV. So after installing downloader, all you need to do is to go ahead and launch it. So as you launch downloader and you are here, you need to type in the code to install the Kodi application. And the code is 691678. 691678. And when you type in the code, please make sure that the code is exactly as you see on my screen right now. After typing the code, just go ahead and launch the code. What is going to happen is that this site is going to redirect you to where you can download the application or the Kodi application to your Android TV. As you can see, it's going to start downloading right now. So you just have to give a couple of seconds for the application to completely download and you can install it to your Android TV. Now, I forgot to mention this earlier. This is only compatible on Android TV device. So if you are trying this on a smart TV, it's not going to work. It's only compatible on Android TV, TV box, or Google TV. As a matter of fact, any device that runs on an Android operating system. So that's why you need to be installing this on an Android TV. And if you need an Android TV box, I highly recommend the one I'm currently using. Check the description. So once the application is done downloading, all you need to do is just click install and the application is going to be installed to your Android TV as simple as this. Now this is the Kodi application, and if you install it, you can go ahead and launch it. But before you launch, please just click done. Delete the package file from your TV so as to save space, and then you can return home. If you return home and close the download application, you come back to your apps, you should see the Kodi application. That's about the video. If you find it helpful, like, subscribe, and share for more important videos like this.